Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Gameplay Classic. In this video, we will be learning how to change highlight color on Tap Color Pro application. To change the highlight color in the Tap Color Pro app, first of all open up your Tap Color Pro application on your mobile device and make sure that you're inside the main homepage. After you open up the application on your device, go ahead and look for the gear icon at the top right hand corner from the main homepage. This will then open up the settings interface. From the settings menu, click on highlight colors or highlight area drop down and select the color from the palettes at the bottom. Choose your preferred highlight color by tapping on it, and then you can then go back to the main homepage and open up an image from the gallery. Now select a color from the palettes at the bottom, and then you will be able to see that the highlight area has now been changed according to your selection. That is how you can easily change your highlight color on your Tap Color Pro application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.